Welcome to a Disney point of view ride experience from the Magic Travel Guide. Today we head to Tomorrowland in Disneyland Park for Buzz Lightyear Astro Blasters. Calling all Space Rangers, take aim and fire your laser to defeat Zurg during a thrilling space battle. This ride is suitable for guests of any height and all ages. The Evil Emperor Zurg is stealing batteries to power a new weapon of destruction, and Buzz Lightyear from the Disney and Pixar's Toy Story movies needs your help. Maneuver your XP-40 space cruiser through the shadowy Gamma Quadrant and beyond. Face down Zurg and his rampaging squad of robots and fire at will. Use the joystick to spin a full 360 degrees and blast glowing Z targets with your laser cannon to earn points. Do you have what it takes to stop Zurg before it's too late? The fate of the toy world is in your hands.
Together we will defeat Buzz Lightyear.
The space cruisers have been temporarily halted. Please remain seated. Your mission will resume shortly. The space cruisers will now be installed. Prepare to resume your mission.
No one can stop me now! Green Planet is mine! And Star Command is next!
Destroy Zurg Superclass!
No! My secret weapon!
You've got Zurg on the run. Blast him with everything you got. That's a good start, man.
I am invincible! You hear me? Invincible! Curse you, Buzz Lightyear! Ah!
to the store. He is a bad toy.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers.
That's safe
It's been an honor
now.
serving with you. Check the status board to determine your rank. And don't forget to holster those blasters. Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. It's been an honor serving with you.
Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and themagictravelguy.com.